To add a Walmart gift card to your Cash App, you can follow a few simple steps. Although it's worth noting that the Cash App primarily works with bank accounts, debit cards, and credit cards, and does not directly support gift cards. However, there are alternative methods to utilize your gift card balance. One option is to use the Walmart gift card to fund your Cash App account via a linked debit card. To do this, link a debit card to your Cash App. Then transfer funds from the gift card to your debit card. You can use the Walmart gift card to make purchases at Walmart or other stores that accept it. If you have an online account with Walmart, you may be able to transfer the gift card balance to a linked debit card by using it as a payment method and adding the funds to your debit card. Once the funds are loaded into your debit card, you can transfer them to your Cash App using that debit card. Another method is to use a wallet. You can use the Walmart gift card for purchases and the Cash App for payments. Simply use the Walmart gift card to make purchases at Walmart or online retailers that accept it, and for purchases on websites or apps that support the Cash App. Select it as the payment method during checkout. Additionally, you can use the Cash App card for added flexibility. A third option is to buy Bitcoin with the Walmart gift card. Some online platforms may allow you to do so. Once you possess the Bitcoin, you can transfer it to your Cash App Bitcoin wallet and use it as needed. These are the methods you can use to add a Walmart gift card to your Cash App.